Maybe you're a consultant, account manager, sales manager, or shop owner. Or you might have another profession in which you frequently encounter clients or customers. Anyway, you have a job in which verbal communication is of vital importance. In general, you tend to focus on what you are going to say to your client. You choose your words carefully, define your message, and try to make it clear to the other party. You assume that he or she will listen and comprehends everything just as you intend it to be. But don't forget, your words are just one part of the total package. You will only give meaning to your words if they are aligned with your body language and tone of voice as well. In the next chapters, we will look at how to do this.